All right, welcome once again to Mathematics Meal. We are still on our special edition of Mathematics Meal where we solve simple problems, and we tag this edition breakfast, lunch, and dinner questions. Today we want to look at dinner question 1, and the topic that we are going to consider in dinner question 1 is theory of logarithm. It's a very simple one. There is need for you to watch the main video on logarithm. We have about 18 videos on logarithm, starting from the foundation of logarithm till the last part of logarithm. There is need for you to watch that video for you to be well grounded in theory of logarithm. All right, let's solve the problem for the day. We want to feed you this moment with mathematics, and that's a very delicious dinner for you. All right, let's solve this problem. We have y minus 1 log 4 is equal to y log what? 16. They say find y. Now this is equation involving logarithm. This equation involving logarithm. Now we have to apply the laws of logarithm in order to solve this problem, because whenever we are trying to solve equations in logarithm, our interest is on how to take away the log what operators. That's our interest. So how are we going to do that? We have two ways of solving this problem, so we can use any of them to actually dissolve this. Yes, we want to dissolve this. So let's go together. I can express the numbers in logarithm in the same ancestor. Yes, the same ancestor. For example, 4 and 16, they have the same ancestor, which is 2. I can decide to also express 16 in terms of 4. I will express both of them in terms of their common ancestor, their origin. That's 2. It is 2 times 2 that gave us 4. It is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 that gave us what? 16. So I can actually write this as y minus 1 log 2 raised to power 2. That will give me 4. Plus y log 2 raised to power 4. That will give me 16. Now, if we go further, we can remove the power in the numbers by using the law of logarithm. So this will give me 2 bracket y minus 1 log 2 equals 4y log 2. Okay, we have log 2 on both sides, so we can divide both sides by log 2. So if I divide this by log 2 and I divide this by log 2, log 2 can divide, so I'll be left with 2 brackets y minus 1 equals 4y. If I open this bracket, I have 2y minus 2 equals 4y. So take this here, collect like terms, ordinary equation now. So we have 4y minus 2y. That will give us minus 2 equals 2y. So what will be y? Minus 2 over 2, and y will give us minus 1. Y will be minus 1. Okay, we can alternatively, if we don't want to take this approach, we can alternatively solve this. Alternatively, we can write this y minus 1 log 4 is equal to y log 16. Now I can take this, the coefficient of a log is the power of the number in the log. Still the third law of logarithm. So this can be written as log 4 raised to power y minus 1 when this comes here. And this will give us log 16 raised to power y. Now if two logarithms are equal, if log A is equal to log B, the only way to be possible, the bases are the same, is if A is equal to B. So if log 4 raised to power y minus 1 is equal to log 16 raised to power y, it means that 4 raised to power y minus 1 will be equal to what? 16 raised to power what? Y. So if log A is equal to log B, then A and B must be equal. So if log 4 raised to power y minus 1 is equal to log 16 raised to power y, it means that this and this must be equal. So applying that principle, we can have that 4 raised to power y minus 1 is equal to 16 raised to 4y. I can write 16 in powers of 4. So we have 4 raised to 4 minus 1 plus 4 raised to 4 2y, because 4 raised to 4 2 will give me what? 16. So we have the bases are the same, that means the powers are equal. So y minus 1 will give me what? 2y. So minus 1 will give me 2y minus y. Minus 1 is equal to y. So y is minus 1. Y is minus 1. So whichever approach you decide to take, you arrive at the same result. And that's just the truth. If you test it, if you put minus 1, then minus 1 minus 1 will give me minus 2. If you bring it, it becomes 4 raised to 4 minus 2. The same thing, minus 1, this becomes 16 raised to 4 minus 1. If you change it to powers of 4, it becomes 4 raised to 4 minus 2. You can test it to know whether you are correct. All right, that's all for our dinner question 1. We shall come back again for dinner question 2, dinner question 3. We'll continue to feed you, because as long as you remain mathematically hungry, we must make sure that we feed you mathematically. One more thing, please, just go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to that YouTube channel. It's very, very important for us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Invite your friends to like our page on Facebook, and also to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will go a long way to ensure that mathematics, the study of mathematics, is improved in every nook and cranny of this country and also in the world. Thank you, and God bless you.